Good morning, everyone. Dick Folger here, artist sculptor, and today we're going to do a little Christmas scene. And we're going to use watercolor paper. This is 9 by 12 inch, 140 pounds. This basic watercolor paper. In preparation for this video, I painted mine black. I used Utrecht Studio Series Deep Black Studio Series acrylic. Just painting it with a brush. It's all ready and dry. And then we're going to use this product, GAC 100, made by Golden. It's a clear acrylic medium to kind of move the product that I'll be using. And you can use anything really that's clear, that dries clear. So varnish, acrylic, whatever you can get a hold of. You don't have to use this, okay? And so I'm going to put it in a lid, kind of a little way to get this thing open. Alright, here we go. Alright, I'm just going to put a little bit in here. A little bit more, okay. And then we're going to be using Pearl Ex Pigments in a variety of colors, and I'll tell you the colors as I use them, okay? Because I'm not really sure. I'm just doing this. I have no real plan. I have an idea for a Christmas scene, but other than that, not much on my mind. Okay, so we are going to start with bronze. Bear with me for a second. What I do sometimes, the ones that I use a lot, I put in a lid like that. You can work right out of the bottle, it's fine to do that also. But this is antique bronze. And I'm going to get my brush here. Just using a basic brush. Get a little bit of the GSC 100 or whatever you happen to be using. Dip it in the bronze. Maybe dab it on the table like this. And just maybe paint a nice little hill. So it's kind of like a metallic powder, and it's beautiful, man. It's just beautiful. It's lovely to paint with. I have another video I did recently with it. Actually, a couple. I've done a couple videos using it. So be sure to look at my videos for painting. Okay, we got that. Now, what I often do to actually clean the brush is I just dip it in there, in the GAC 100. And then I just wipe it on my pants, actually, because, I mean, I'm an artist, and I get paint all over me all the time, so it's no big deal. My next color is going to be spring green. I'm going to do a little Christmas tree. So, I'm going to get a little bit of the GSC 100, and I want to tell you, really, the thing to do here is relax. I mean, just relax. There is no real pressure here, and you just want to have some fun. That's the main thing. So, I know it's a little crazy, but let's see, that's what I have on my mind. Now let's see if I can bring it off. I mean, it's definitely going to be a little abstract. That's okay. Oh yeah, I like it already. I like it already. This is probably, I don't know, I really don't think I've ever painted a Christmas tree before. So, what does that tell you? If I can do it, you can do it. How about that? Flare that out a little bit. Alright, that's nice. Let's see, do I want to color it in? I don't know, let me think about that. Okay, so now I'm going to get a little bit of GAC 100 on my brush, And wipe it on my pants to get the green off there. I'm going to do it. I'm going to double it. I'm going to do it twice because the green is a powerful color. Okay? Now, I love my Reflex Violet. I go through a lot of this. I do it on my dragons sometimes. Take a look at some of my dragon sculpting videos and you'll see I use it a lot. Beautiful color, beautiful color. Get a little bit of my acrylic here. Can be anything, doesn't have to be the goldens. Again, I want to reiterate that. Get my brush right in there. And I'm going to do, see how the green came through? Look at that. Look at that. I'm telling you, the green is a strong color. But that's alright. It doesn't look too bad. Let me get a little bit more GSC on there. And let's try to get this brush clean. Alright. This one my purple. See how it will look with the purple and the green. I don't know. Let's see. It's kind of pretty. Yeah. Purple and green. That's nice. Well, you know, those colors go really well together. I've done a time or two with my tree art. I do a lot of tree art. Okay. Well, that's nice. So how about, let's see, maybe, oh, I don't know, how about silver? We'll get some silvers here. Right here. Pearl Ex Pigments. Guys, it's some wonderful stuff. Okay, I'm going to clean my brush really good. Alright, now we'll get some silvers here. Actually, I think I'm going to use a smaller brush real quick. Okay, I'll get a little bit of silver. Dab it on the table, kind of just loosen it up a little bit. And I think right here, whoops, I'm going to put a little house. And what do you guys see? A little bit more silver. Dab it on the table. It's going to be kind of a fairy house, I think. And a little more GSC 100, a little bit more silver, dab it on the table, and like that. And yeah, looking pretty good. You see how, I mean, so easy it goes on, and then so we get the outline of that, and maybe we can use, how about some bronze? So I'll clean my brush really good. Silver is a strong color, so you want to clean it really good. Get some bronze, and fill it in. Like that. And then you can maybe get a little bit more polymer on there, whatever, extender, acrylic, medium, whatever you like. Get a little bit of that, a little bit of silver, and put a door and a window in it. And how about if we get some of this red russet, really pretty bright color, very strong color. And get the extender on there, a little bit of red russet, dab on the table, and do a little chimney. Ooh, that's a big chimney. I didn't mean to make it that big. Well, that's a bigger chimney than I wanted, but okay, we can deal. And then maybe we'll clean the brush really good. You can also use a paper towel. I mean, you can do that, right? Clean the brush really good. And we'll get some silver. Maybe acrylic, silver, and do some smoke. coming out of the chimney like that. Just really relaxed, calm, just here to have fun, and we'll see where this goes. Okay? So then I think I want to get a little bit of acrylic here and some of the red russet, dab it on the table, and put in little ornaments on our tree. Like that. Just little red ornaments. And we'll then get some, maybe some sky blue. Now remember, the red russet is a really strong color, so you need to clean your brush really good. Maybe this time with a paper towel instead of my pants. So we'll do that. Get it really good and clean. And now, let's see, we're going to use the sky blue right here to put more ornaments on the tree. Here, 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 here. Right. Okay, there we go. We got more ornaments on the tree, and how about purple or Reflex Violet? My favorite dragon color. Clean the brush, get some purple, and ornaments. Oh, it's pretty, 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 pretty. I love it. Oh, yeah. So nice. Now, the one thing that we have not used yet is the Duo Red Blue. It's a lovely color, very interesting. It looks like it's pink. See? Looks pink. Goes on blue, but depending on how the light hits it, it can be other colors. It's interesting. I like it. So I'll get a little bit on the brush, relax it on the table, just get it worked into the table a little bit to kind of relax, and I'll put some wispy little clouds and adding to the light, adding to the scene, just here and there, and I'll get a little bit more and put some more ornaments on the tree. Like that. The Pearl Ex Pigments, really wonderful stuff. Highly recommend it to do paintings. And look, you can hang this up, you can frame it. Just something, a wonderful gift. Oh my God. Just have fun. Have fun. Relax, have fun. Make art. Be happy. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Give the video a like. Leave me a comment. Share it with your friends. And please subscribe for more. Have a great day.